Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you something that most people don't know, but is very helpful as a YouTuber. Now, if you want to avoid copyright strike, getting your channel deleted or losing your channel because of content that you use content from other people, let me show you how. Now, YouTube just launched or for a couple of time now, it has been existing for some time now, but most of us don't know about this particular tool. This is an AI tool in the YouTube studio. So I'm currently in my YouTube studio right now. So that's why you can see the back end of my studio. So once you click on the Ask Studio, it's gonna pop up something like this, and you will see like your channel name. We say hello, your channel name. How can I help you? So you give you this quick jump in questions. You can just start with how can Ask Studio help me summarize comments, suggest videos, and all of that. If you say more, you see summarize my channels and some other things that don't really, to me, I don't see them as anything that is worth wasting time on. But for some people, it might be useful to you. But there's something deeper than this, like deeper than just the Ask Studio. I've used this to analyze my content and what I should focus on, and it did work for me. So I decided to try it one more way, in a different way, ask a different question, and I asked it. So I said, "Can let me just start again? Can you scan through my YouTube channel and check videos that can give me a copyright strike?" And you're just gonna see what it's just gonna do. So if you're a person like me who do reaction videos, who make reference to some apps, some softwares, because most of my channel have been deleted because I did a tutorial on, or say something about Canva. Yeah. Anyway, this is it. So I thought the question say a copyright strike occurs when a copyright owner, yes, blah blah blah. We understand that. Check for active strike on your dashboard. I understand that. Now I've checked. I've used this before. It did work for me. Okay, I'm gonna rephrase my question and see if it's gonna work. Let me just ask, what video will give me a strike? So the crazy thing is, I've done this before, and I it gave me some videos that I need to go and delete, and I deleted them with the links actually. So I just went. Now I'm trying to see. Yes, this is what I wanted to show you. Like this, I uploaded this video. Now you don't need to upload this video as published before this thing can detect what I'm trying to tell you. So this is a video I just uploaded like today. I'm just gonna reduce this for you guys, push this for you guys to see. Today is 30th, and you can see I uploaded it today. And it already detected something for me that based on your recent uploads, such as Uber driver, I don't want to say it out, and other compilation style content, it is important to ensure that you have necessary permission for any third party footage usage. So, like this now, is already telling me that I can get a strike from a video like this that I uploaded with this. So, if you want to, all you need to just do is, if you can locate a video, let's say you uploaded it long ago, you can't locate it anymore. If you just click on here, it'll take you to the video directly. And if you want or you wish to delete it, you can just come here and click on the three dot and say delete, and it's gone forever. So basically, this particular tool, we just sleeping on it, we're using it for different purpose. Everybody have a reason for using some certain tools, but for this particular one, this like cooked everything that we've been waiting for. You just need to just ask a question and it tells you the problem, what you should fix. Now I use this for other stuff, and it helped me. Now I'm going to explain that. So what I did was, I used to ask me what particular content should I focus on more. So let me try it again. I say, what and it's just gonna give me. It's just gonna scan through my channel. You say reviewing your request. Then you see you're gonna say finding your top performing content. You see that, analyzing your channel long term, gathering the comments and all that. So how to move text caption separately on CapCut. This is one of my best videos doing well so far. And each time I talk to the AI, it's always making reference to this particular video, so I understand what it's saying. Then this also in Cape Town nightlife. Yes, this is one of my shorts that is doing so well. So I don't know what you guys using your studio tool for, this particular tool for, but this is just like the best thing you can ever use this particular tool to do. Safeguard your channel, protect the channel from any strike that might be coming that you don't know about and things like that. Yeah, so I just wanted to share this with you guys. I hope this video did help you. If it did, let me know in the comments section, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. My name is Ahmed Fope, and I'll say bye for now.